Dear students, welcome to Study and Learn Academy. And in last lecture, we were discussing about the phylum Chordata. So all chordates possess the following features: have a notochord, have a dorsal nerve cord, are triploblastic, and are coelomate. Vertebrata. These animals have a true vertebral column, an internal skeleton, allowing a completely different distribution of muscles attachment points to be used for movement. The members of subphylum Vertebrata possess notochord during the embryonic period. The notochord is replaced by a cartilaginous or bony vertebral column in the adult. Thus, all vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrates. Besides the basic chordate characters, vertebrates have a ventral muscular heart with 2, 3 or 4 chambers, kidneys for excretion, and osmoregulation and paired appendages which may be fins or limbs. Vertebrates are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, coelomic and segmented with complex differentiation of body tissues and organs. Comparison of chordates and non-chordates. Chordates, non-chordates. First, notochord present. In non-chordates, notochord absent. Central nervous system is dorsal, hollow and single. Central nervous system is ventral, solid and double. Pharynx perforated by gill slits. Gill slits are absent. Heart is ventral. Heart is dorsal if present. A post-anal part tail is present. Post-anal tail is absent. Now we will start a new chapter, that is cell structure and function. The cell is the structural and functional unit of life, which is also known as building blocks of life. The science which deals with the study of cells is called cytology or cell biology. Robert Hooke first discovered the cells in 1665. Matthias Jacob Schleiden and Theodor Schwann first developed a cell theory in 1839. Based on the cell theory, all organisms are made from one or more cells. The word cell is derived from Latin words cella, which means small room. The cell contains cytoplasm with proteins and nucleic acids, which is bounded by a membrane. Under a microscope, most plant and animal cells are visible, and their dimensions range from 1 to 100 micrometer. The number of cells varies from species to species. The human contains about 4 into 10 to the power 13 cells. The smallest known cell is a tiny single cell bacterium known as Mycoplasma, which is 0.2 micrometer in diameter. Definition of cell. There are various definitions of the cell which are given below. The structural and functional unit of living body is known as cell. The protoplasm surrounded by the membrane is known as cell. The smallest organized unit of the living body, which is independent and self-reproducing under favorable condition, is known as cell. This definition given by De Robertis and De Robertis, 1981. It is a unit of biological activity delimited by a semi-permeable membrane and capable of self-reproduction in a medium free of other living systems. Loe Squidge, 1969. There is the basic unit in which matter energy are required, converted, stored, utilized, and also in which biological information is stored, manipulated, and expressed. Swanson and Webster, 1978. Number of cell. The number of cell varies in the living organism. The unicellular organism like bacteria, amoeba, diatoms, euglena, etc. contain single cell in their body. But most of the plants and animals are multicellular organisms which contain many cells in their body. The number of the cell is never fixed for any multicellular organism. Shape of the cell. The shape of the cells is highly variable. Generally, the animal cell is spherical in shape, but it may be elongated, cylindrical, oval, rounded, triangular, cuboidal, polygonal, or irregular in different plants and animals. The shape of the cell remains correlated with its functions. The external and internal environment of the organism may also cause shape variations in the cell due to internal or mechanical stress or pressure and surface tension. The shape of the cell may vary from organ to organ, plant to plant, and animal to animal. Now, the size of the cell. The size of the cell varies from cell to cell. Most of the eukaryotic cells are microscopic in size, but they are bigger than the bacteria. Generally, size of the cell varies from 1 to 175,000 micrometer. Among the living organisms, the smallest cell is Mycoplasma bacteria, which are 0.1 to 0.25 micrometer in diameter, while the biggest cell is ostrich egg, that is 170 into 135 mm. The longest cell is the neuron cell, which is about a meter or more in length. Now, the types of cells. Generally, the cell is of two types: prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cell. This type cell is lack of nuclear envelope and well defined protoplasmic organelles such as endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, mitochondria, centriole, etc. Example of prokaryotic cells are bacteria, blue-green algae, etc. Eukaryotic cell in left and prokaryotic cell in right. You can see in this particular slide the pictures, or you can say diagram of eukaryotic as well as prokaryotic cell. You can see in eukaryotic there is a membrane enclosed nucleus is there, nucleolus is there which is present in the nucleus, mitochondrion, then ribosomes. Most important characteristics of prokaryotic cell. The prokaryotic cells are unicellular and filamentous like form which is not exceeding 10 micrometer in diameter. They have a more or less rigid cell wall and a jelly-like mucilaginous capsule or sheath outside the plasma membrane. This cell does not contain nucleus due to absence of nuclear envelope. This type of cell also contains single naked chromosome with naked DNA. The cytoplasm of the prokaryotic cell does not contain well-defined cell organelles such as endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, mitochondria, centriole, vacuoles, lysosomes, chloroplasts, etc. Most of the prokaryotic cells have motile organs such as cilia and flagella. They multiply by binary fission. Eukaryotic cell. The eukaryotic cell has the nucleus with a definite nuclear membrane. This type of cell also contains cytoplasmic organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, mitochondria, lysosomes, etc. Characteristics features of eukaryotic cell. The eukaryotic cell is the true cell which has the following characteristic features. It is generally large in size, but only few cells being under 10 micrometer in diameter. The cell is bounded by the plasma membrane in the animal cell, but in the plant cell it is bounded by the cell wall, which is made up of cellulose. This type of cell contains true nucleus, which bears nucleoplasm, nucleolus, RNA, DNA, chromosomes, and nuclear membrane. The eukaryotic cell also contains cytoplasm organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, mitochondria, lysosomes, etc. Cell structure and their function. The eukaryotic cells have different shapes, size, and physiology, but all these cells are typically composed of cell covering, cytoplasm, cytoplasmic organelles, ergasitic substances, and a true nucleus. So you can see in this particular slide the structure of a typical plant cell. Cell covering. Cell covering has two parts such as plasma membrane and cell wall. Most of the cells are enclosed by a thin porous semi-permeable membrane which is known as plasma membrane. The plasma membrane may be modified to form villi, cilia, flagella, cavities, and other special structures. The cell wall is present only in the plant cell. It is present outside the cell membrane, which is a thick, semi-rigid, laminated, non-living cellulose covering. You can see in this particular slide the structure of animal cell. Now the functions of cell covering. Plasma membrane is a permeable membrane by which extracellular substances entered into the cell, while the cell wall provides protection and support to the plasma membrane and cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. The substance which occurs between the plasma membrane and nuclear membrane is called cytoplasm and is made up of a matrix and the organelles. Matrix is an amorphous, translucent, homologous colloidal liquid which is known as hyaloplasm or cytoplasmic matrix. Cytoplasmic matrix contains glycolytic enzymes and structural materials such as sugars, amino acids, water, vitamins, nucleotides, etc. They carry out the instructions sent from the nucleus. They also provide sites for cellular activities. Cytoplasmic organelles. The organelles are the membrane-bound living structures of a cell, which are situated within the cytoplasm. Generally, they perform various important biosynthetic and metabolic activities such as transportation, support, storage, reproduction, respiration, etc. The eukaryotic cells contains the following organelles. Golgi body. It is a very important organelle of the cell and is covered by a single smooth membrane of lipoprotein. It consists of cisternae, vesicles, and vacuoles. Functions of Golgi body. It plays important role for the transportation of materials within the cell. It forms secretory vesicles and lysosomes. They also form cell wall of the plant cell and plasma membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum. They are interconnecting tubules and vesicles which are bounded by a single unit membrane. The membranes may be rough and smooth due to presence or absence of ribosomes. Functions of endoplasmic reticulum. They are intracellular circulatory system. They act as a synthetic and storage organs. They provide mechanical supports to the cell making cytoplasmic membrane. So this is all about the today's lecture. Thank you very much. Goodbye.